Soon as I sat down, I was falling in love. She jumped up and cut me off. She was like, oh my God, this is my song. I've been listening to the radio all